Hello. So today, reviewing science, we're going to be introducing joints and ligaments. That's what we're going to talk about. But before we do that, we're going to review our charts of the different body parts. Reviewing the circulatory system. The circular system consists of your arteries, and your arteries will goes here. Your arteries is what takes the blood out of your heart. It's the one that has the oxygen and it travels and nutrients all over your heart. Your veins are the ones that take blood to your heart. So it collects everything and it brings it back to the heart. And your heart is in the center of your chest. And I just remembered when we studied it that our lung on our right hand side is smaller, so the heart has space, and the heart is the one that pumps, right? So that is the circulatory system. Next system, respiratory system. The respiratory system is made up of three organs. The windpipe, which closes when you swallow. That way you don't choke. Your lungs and your diaphragm, which is the muscle that makes your lungs go in and out. When you breathe in, you inhale, and when you breathe out, you exhale, and that is called respiration, right? And when I breathe out carbon dioxide. When I breathe in, I breathe in oxygen. Just a little review. And last but not least is our skeleton system. And we have the skull that protects your brain, your clavicle, which is what holds your upper body up straight, your scapula, which it's in the back of it's right here in the back, your sternum, which is what holds all your ribs together. It's also called the breastplate, your ribs, your pelvis, which when paleontologists find mummies, the way that they distinguish is if it's a female or a male is by the pelvis. Females have wider pelvis than males because females give birth to babies, so we have more room. Then we have a patella, which is your knee or kneecap, your phalanges, and you have phalanges on your toe, on your feet, and phalanges on your hands. Phalanges are fingers. Then you have your femur, which your femur is the longest bone in your body and it's the strongest bone in your body. You have your vertebrae, which consists of 33 individual bones. And then we have the vertebrae, phalanges of the hand, your humerus, which when you bang it, it's also called a funny bone, and your clavicle. Again, it holds your body up. So those are the different bones. And keeping this one up, your bones are united by ligaments and tendons. And using your ligaments and your tendons allow you to bend and flex. That's why we are able to jump. We're able to do a dunk. We're able to lift weights and exercise and move around because the joints and ligaments allow us to. Now, in our fingers, it's a little bit different. Our fingers work more like hinges. It has a tendon going through the middle of them. And in our forearm, we have nerves, and when our muscle move in our forearm, that's what allows the tendons to move in our fingers. So they have joints, but they don't have ligaments. They just have tendons. So complete the work with your comprehension in the next page, and I'll see you tomorrow for science. Goodbye.